Ow! Yeah, it bounced off the balcony there and it puts me out. A little freaky. Camera's fogging up. Yeah. See the we're getting hooked over here. Pretty crazy.
Lewis is joking spot. This is real stuff here. Change it, yes. Real stuff. My boat just above them trees there. All the boats are above them. Mad stuff. Yes, that's the Christmas tree. But she survived all the hurricanes. Let's see her survive this. This, man. This is gonna be bad. We still got it coming for us. Yeah, if this reach Miami, if this hit any part of the US like this, it's gonna be disastrous. They're gonna be traffic. That is real stuff out there. Lewis was a high wind. This is a hurricane.
La isla con vientos de más de 100 millas por hora y dejando un saldo de 3.369 muertos. Varios años más tarde, en septiembre de 1928, San Felipe cruzó la isla del sureste a noreste con vientos de más de 160 millas por hora que lo clasificaban como categoría 5. 4 años después, en septiembre del 1932, Puerto Rico recibió al huracán San Ciprián, el cual entró por Ceiba como categoría 3, con vientos estimados de 120 millas por hora. En 1956, el huracán Santa Clara, también conocido como Betsy, entró.
We're close to a bayou. Is that how I say it? A bayou? Or
Yes,
the
through
bayou?
Dickinson, basically on the map of Dickinson. So like 45's headed up this way. There's kind of like a little lake over here, and then there's a river sort of just runs this way. There's like a little finger that peels off. And this 45 crosses right over the top. I think that's the bayou.
So 45 crosses over the bayou.
I believe so. If that's indeed what the bayou is, Dickinson.
That's a car right there.
Jack Main Street in control.
What is that normally? Just a parking lot?
I'm not sure how I got there. I think there's a waterway here, but there's parking lots to the right and to the left. But I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh. We've got 20 young men and adults, kayaks full of sandbags, headed towards our house.